has scored 150 points, but in the lead by just 10 points is Nazia of the Blues with 160. You've heard of Spice Power. This is Petal Power, and it is me wonderful little flower. Alright, you flower? Alright. Yeah, cool see it. As you can see, Andy is dressed up as the flower. And what's going to happen is this. Our young Chris is going to fire lots of balls in an effort to knock off those pedals in 45 seconds. 10 points for every pedal knocked off. Get ready. It all starts now. Get ready. Here we go. Oh. Alright, we're just going to count what's left of your petals. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 petals there. Yeah, we'll call it 4 petals. Well done, Chris, mate. You scored yourself there 40 points. Okay, Petal Power, take 2 this time. Take a